Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comments respectfully in the comment section below. But remember that when the secret whispers of a people turn to open whispers, the tyrant should know that his time is up. The Bible says that my people suffer for lack of knowledge, and the nation without vision perishes. This is Chris Digos with the state of Igbo nation. In theater, there's a saying that goes this way: the show must go on, but the fuck up will always remain. The People's Democratic Party just had their primaries and elected Atiku Abubakar as their presidential flag bearer for Nigeria's general election coming up in 2023. He emerged. I congratulate him. That PDP conducted their primaries in a most disgraceful manner is not the issue here. That the IU led National Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party, the main opposition party in Nigeria, has come across as the most inept, most corrupt National Working Committee Nigeria will ever produce is not also something to write home about. For he could not even organize a delegate primaries to elect delegates to vote across the elections to select their flag bearers. For even Chidioka, the immediate past aviation minister during Jonathan's regime, said he couldn't even attend the presidential primaries, the convention, because he bought form to vie as a delegate. The names of delegates were written in private hotels, and he was denied the opportunity to vie after buying the form. What a shame. It seems that EHIU, as the chairman, national chairman of People's Democratic Party, came on board to do a hatchet job of electing Atiku Abubakar. But it is a story of a different day. Remember that this channel is always here to give you the truth, because it's only the truth that will set you free. The Ohaneze youth, or the Ohaneze worldwide, led by their Secretary General Isikuzo, has come out swinging, slamming Atiku Abubakar, telling him to forget being the Nigerian president, that the Igbos will reject him. I'm like, wait. It's always easy to blame others for our misfortune instead of blaming ourselves. Who betrayed the Igbo cause? If you sell your father's land to buy a trumpet, where will you stand to blow that trumpet? Who desecrated the Igbo cause? Who desecrated in the church? ANYIM, PIUS ANYIM, one of the flag bearers from the southeast, from Igbo extraction, only scored 14 votes in the primaries. Ohabunwa scored 1 vote. How many states do we have in the southeast? Ebonyi, Abia, Anambra, Enugu. About 5 states. If you start from Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu, right? And the Imo State. What happened to their delegates? Sell out. Let's start from Abia State. Why all of us, everybody was saying Igbos need to be given a chance to rule Nigeria. The Abia State people, led by Okezie Ikpeazu, they were busy championing the cause of Nwike of River State. I don't have a problem with that.
I'm indeed very, very happy and excited to have Governor Nwike. Sincerely speaking, I find it difficult to live with the illusion that a man whose name is Austin Opera is not my brother. Or to live with the illusion that somebody whose name is Wike is not my brother. Because I've told him when I crack jokes with him that this name Wike has no meaning in any other dialect except Igbo language.
I don't have a problem with that. In one of the videos, I saw Okezie Ikpeazu laboring to call Nelson Wike an Igbo man, when Wike in the past had vigorously denied being an Igbo race. It's not even the manner of his denial that bothered me, but the efforts, the labor he made to deny the Igbos, as if Igbos were lepers. Yet Okezie Ikpeazu did everything possible, and until the last minute he was praying for Wike. How can you reject people? How can you accept somebody that rejected you? I don't have a problem with identifying anybody politically. But how about this? Have a common voice.
One of the most popular questions here,
Yes.
is that you are Igbo and that you are denying that you are not Igbo. Are you Igbo or not?
I'm not.
Have a common voice. Stand with your people. Even when you are failing, you fail together. That will send a message to the north. That will send a message to those who think Igbos are not united. Because I remember when this whole thing started, people were saying Igbos should go and put their house in order. Apostle Suleiman came out with a voice, and he said that the problem of Igbos are the Igbos, that they are fond of fighting each other. They are always involved in this crab in the bucket mentality of pulling each other down. Shouted. Iziguzo shouted and called Apostle Suleiman names. What about yesterday? What happened is disgraceful. In the video also, I saw T.A. Ochendo, the former governor of Abia State, praising Wike, saying he was amazed when he went to Rivers and the wonders that Wike were performing in Rivers State. And I looked at him. It's okay to acknowledge what Wike has done. But according to facts, or according to allegations by EFCC, Ochendo, the present governor, KANU, were among ex-governors that raped the economy of Abia State and impoverished the people the more. Yesterday, again, it showed that Abia State produced the faces of betrayers of Igbo. KANU in APC, after blowing hot and cold, like always, like a historical, championed the cause of Igbo presidency, chickened out, and was among the first that supported Lawal, the Senate president. Even as of yesterday, as of early this morning, he was still clamoring for Lawal to be supported for the post of the Nigerian presidency. What a betrayer. When will these elders give way for the youth to rise? So, my point is this. What happened to our delegates? What happened to Igbo cause? In Enugu State, it is a known fact that the governor of Enugu State, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, the sleeping governor, also supported a different candidate. But these are among those who will come out in the open and say we support the southern presidency, and in the dark they will support the north. And there's nothing wrong in aligning with anybody politically. But who are you betraying? Who are you fooling? You are among those who we call the Igbo betrayers. What about Anambra State? What happened to their delegates? Chris Ruba stayed in the hotel, the Obas, wrote the name of delegates, sold out, and voted against the Igbo cause. The Ohanes, the youth, these are the kind of people you should be calling out. Tell them that enough is enough. Instead of attacking Atiku Abubakar, he has done nothing to you. Stop attacking the North. What about others? Hope Uzodinma in APC, who secretly or openly is supporting Lawa, the Senate President, for the post of the presidency of Nigeria. Those are the Igbo betrayers. Is enough not enough? Instead of you attacking APC, attacking PDP, the corrupt party, People's Democratic Party, who I pray will never come to power again because their 16 years wreaked havoc in Nigeria. It will be too early for me to say I would rather be a servant in APC than be a king in PDP. PDP betrayed the South. If not the dilly-dally, the flip-flop they are doing with this presidency of the South, APC already zoned the presidency to the South. But when they saw the flip-flop, the dilly-dallying from PDP, they changed their stance. Will you blame APC when they zoned their presidency to the North? Will you allow them to lose the presidency when already PDP elected Atiku Abubakar to be their flag bearer? Will APC go to the South and lose the election? The answer is no. Igbo betrayers, Orji Zokalo, Okezi Ikpeazu, the Ubas, Hope Uzodinma, Ugwuanya of Enugu State, all of them secretly vying for the vice presidency. And with them, you still continue to hear the voice of Suleiman. It's Igbos versus the Igbos. Igbos pulling each other down. The Ohanese youth. Come back home. Re-strategize. Call your people to order. These elders, especially Orji Zokalo, that has held Igbos down. If you hear his argument that he wants to realign the Igbos to national politics, really? Orji Zokalo, KANU. Your time is up. We know your antics. We know the role you played in Just Convention where Alex Ekweme was betrayed by you as alleged. You blow hot, you blow cold. You come back to the house, you do a different thing, you run to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in prison, and we don't know who is giving him out. Come on, man. We know all these games of the elders. We should start holding you guys accountable. Isi Guzoro, Ohanese youth, and Ohanese worldwide. Leave the North alone. Hold these betrayers. If you don't know their names, I'll call their names again. ANYIM PIUS scored 14 votes. You should come back home and check who betrayed him. Who couldn't support the Igbo cause? And you tell me of Biafra. You see, this is the problem I have with the Igbo people. You fail to organize a home. This blame game of blaming others for your misfortunes. Nnamdi Kanu is fighting the Biafra cause. But I'm sorry to tell you this, but you must know the truth. He has failed to call out the third governors of Abia State where he hails from. Abia State can be said to be not the God's own state, but the devil's own state. Because the people have been impoverished over decades by failed leadership. And they are at it again. We should come back home. Before we start talking about Biafra, do you blame Dave Umahi when he says Ebonyi State will not be part of Biafra? Look at what is going on. Betrayal upon betrayal. Is Dave Umahi a prophet? I've always asked that question. Do you also blame Umahi when he said PDP has no hope for the Igbo male? Has it not come to pass? Look at the careful crafting of relegating the Igbos to the background in People's Democratic Party. Come back home. Soludo went to Lagos and has been traversing across the country, telling Igbos, come back home and invest. Build your home. If you destroy your home, outsiders will not trust you. Because when you sell out your friend, even the person buying from you will not trust you. I despair for the Igbo nation. Shame on you elders who have betrayed the youths. The youths gave you their future. Constantly, the elders, the elites, led by Ojo Zakalo and all those from Abia State, have constantly trampled on the youth future. And I expect Ohanes Dendibo to come back home. You see Clark from the South, the former minister, he told Ojo Zakalo, in plain language, you have betrayed the Igbo cause. And he's always pretending on selfish needs that he's fighting for the Igbos. There, Carlo, you are fighting for your selfish interest. You are fighting for you and your family. Leave the Igbos alone. Your time is up. And for People's Democratic Party, you've elected Atiku Abubakar to flag your presidential flag for 2023. Where is the future in Atiku Abubakar? Where is the future of the youth? All of you that campaigned during the primary said, the youth, that you can never vote for somebody above 70. What have you done? You have shot yourself on the foot. And for Reno Omokare, you called Peter Obi a hypocrite. This morning I woke up to also say a tweet that you've apologized to Peter Obi. My question to you is this, Omokare. Why are you so fixated on Peter Obi? Peter Obi is not as corrupt as all of you in PDP. He may run the election and fail, that is okay. And for the supporters who are attacking everybody on social media, that is the wrong way to play politics. Politics of bitterness. Politics is all about building bridges. I'm not interested in talking about Igbo presidency. But for Omokare to fall that low as I've never seen in my life, calling Peter Obi names, that's a shame. But I'm glad you've apologized. Go ahead. Look for your next bread, like Fanny Kayode. Where your bread is buttered, that is where you go. I really wish PDP the best of luck. But I tell you this, me, Chris Digos, as Open Whispers, I would rather be a servant in APC than be a king in People's Democratic Party. Look at the primaries. So much dollarized. Where is the future in that? If you say you are coming on board to fight corruption and you are riding on the throne through corrupt means, what are you talking about? Where is the future in People's Democratic Party? If not for your misrule, APC wouldn't have come on board. The Southeast, the Igbos, the Igbo nation, self-awakening is what you need. Because if you don't know where the rain started beating you, you will never know where the rain will stop. Open Whispers is saying, see something, say something, and do something. Blame game will not solve the problem. Subscribe to this channel, share the video, and remember, the countdown for the release of NNAMDI KANU is here. Let NNAMDI KANU be released. Let him enjoy his freedom. He is a prisoner of conscience. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Remember to subscribe. Until we meet again in the arena, this is Chris Digos with the State of Igbo Nation. Thank you, and God bless you.